Oh, we're on. We're on straight away. Oh, yes we are. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Straight away. Whoa. I did not even get the chance to land the D-rein properly. Wow, this guy's pulling. Wow. Oh, no way. Oh. Barely got the drone landed, bang. That is unbelievable. Let's get the controller off, eh? Thank God I can put it around my neck. All right, we're getting him in. Okay, we've turned the drone off. Wow, caught me by surprise. We could have a nice pink dog on here. He's definitely fighting. Oh, is he fighting? Oh, he snagged. No, we're good. Woo! This is crazy. Great weight here. Oh, zinged really well. Far away now. Woo! Definitely hard to just cast into this once you got a really long, far casting reel, as well as the rod. But droning, no dramas, mate. So cool. Still got enough line loose to zing if he wants to zing again. It's feeling decent. Go on, bro. Woo! You little ripper. Woo! Let's go. Stoked. Let's get one more out. We're just about on again. Oh, there's a bit of seaweed there. Can't get it off. Ah, great times. Great times in Seaweed Town. It's calming down. Thanks for tuning in, guys. There's a lot of seaweed around today. These are the ones I like the most. You come out, you target a spot, you nail it straight away. Really appreciate everyone in the channel, so thanks a lot. There's a million other guys out there doing this similar thing, but we absolutely love it. This one might not be that hook up straight away. Doesn't matter, we've had a beauty. Thanks again for tuning in. Woo!